Hi friends, myself Premonan Pillai. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to set up a Metis waiting machine. Actually I bought this from Metis online site and I got this like this is the waiting machine, and I get a part of waiting and another pipe. Now I will show you how to set up this one. Okay. First of all, we must put this wire through the pipe. You can see here is a knob, and I will put this from the backward side. It is coming out from the top, and then you must open this one and put the screw type here. Okay, then you must open this, and now you can see here there are so many pins. It's around 6 and 6, that is 12 pins, and I will insert that like this, the cutted wire on the face position. Now I will put the other cover. Okay, then I will tight the nut and bolt like portion of the waiting machine. Okay, it's almost tight. It's tight now. Now I will on the waiting machine and search, is it working or not working. Yeah, it's working. Now you can see here the weight is showing on the top, and this is the upper portion. I'm just pressing the 0. Now you can see here it is fine, and the weight is showing, and you can rotate this on the outer side also. Okay, wherever you want. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology and technology related videos.